I seem to be wounded, but I can keep going. I'm slowing you down, am I?
Ah!
Fine. You won't even know I'm here.
You'll need to activate both pumps to flood the reactor, and then that access pipe down there will take you to the core. Time is short. You've turned on the pumps. Now take the access pipe, flood the core, and get on up to the labs without delay.
We were able to contact a number of other remaining scientists, so with any luck, some of them may make it here as well. Surely someone will come and rescue us. The military cleanup is just a paranoid rumor, isn't it? It's highly probable that our luck will change, don't you agree? Have I been that much of a burden?
You talk too much.
Would you be quiet?
No! I don't want to die! No! Please! No! Dark! Oh my. Oh! My goodness! Ah! Oh dear! Oh no! My God, what are you doing? Are you insane? Stop attacking immediately! No! No! This is my hiding spot, and I'm not moving until the situation is drastically improved. Now go away, and don't tell anyone I'm here.
Я один здесь, блядь!